Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Viva Insights Essentials. My name is Tim Blake, and I am a Microsoft certified trainer, and I have facilitated training sessions for the Microsoft end user community globally. Viva Insights is a platform developed to help improve productivity, well-being, and engagement. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users who want to use the features available in Viva Insights. We'll start with describing what the purpose of Viva Insights is and identify the different places data is being pulled from. We'll look at multiple ways to access insights and an overview of the information provided. Next, we'll find the Viva Insights add-in within Outlook, pin insights for easier access, and identify the key components and describe how these insights can improve your work habits. From there, we'll look at how to access Viva Insights in Microsoft Teams and explore the navigation bar as well as the homepage. Then, we'll look at some of the special features of Insights, starting with well-being, including using Headspace and Reflect. Next, we'll look at productivity, where you can evaluate if you are getting the most out of your meetings. Then, we will describe how you can review your teamwork and collaboration habits in order to build and strengthen your connections. In our last lesson, we will bring all of this together by looking at the inspiration library and how to customize your settings. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be able to access and use the features available in Viva Insights through Teams and Outlook.